Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to transpose from middle C position to other keys. Transposing this position can be very useful for various finger exercises as it gets you used to the geography of different keys and where the black keys are and so forth. I think you will find this most helpful if you look in the description and download the file that looks like this. It's called Middle C Position Transposition Worksheet. If you look here, I have the transposition formula on the top, and then in this video, I'm going to show you how to figure this out so you can find a few different positions to practice in. And so a couple things before we fill out that worksheet. All middle C position is the thumbs are sharing middle C or do. And so if you have a C scale, the right hand's playing the bottom 5 notes of the scale, do, re, mi, fa, so, and it's always the pattern whole, whole, half, whole. Now, the left hand also playing C scale notes. However, the left hand is playing the top 5 notes of the scale. So the formula of whole steps and half steps is different. So it's do, ti, la, so, fa. So half step, whole step, whole step, whole step. So the hands are not going to have the same combination of whole steps and half steps at the same time. In the right hand, the half step is going to be between fingers 3 and 4. In the left hand, it's between fingers 1 and 2. Once you've got your worksheet all printed out, what I always like to do is have the top one be the key of C. So do equals C. That's what we're used to, middle C position. And so we just write in our notes. I usually circle the do so we know where our midpoint is. And for this one, I'm just going to fill it out because it's all on white keys. So once I fill in the words, what I like to always do, just to reinforce, is fill in the pattern. Do to re is whole step, re to mi is a whole step, mi to fa, half, and fa to so is a whole step. Do to ti now, that is a half step. Ti to la, whole step. La to so, whole step. So to fa, whole step. So now we're going to choose a couple of different places for do. Let's choose E as do here. So we'll do do as E. Then I like to go to the keyboard and figure it out. So if we've got do as E, do to re is a whole step. So I'm going to skip this key. And re is going to be on the black key here. Put a whole step in between that. Re to mi, also a whole step, skipping this white key. So mi will be on a black key as well. Then we've got our half step, mi to fa, very next key. So fa will be there on A. And then finally fa to so, whole step. So 2 black keys for if do is E. Now for the left hand, we've got do to ti is a half step. So ti will be right here. Then ti to la, whole step. So skipping this white key right here. La to so, another whole step. And then so to fa is another whole step. So if do equals E, that is our position. Half, whole, whole, whole. So now you can try out dozen a day or other finger exercises in this position, and it will sound how it's supposed to sound, so forth. Okay, we'll just do one more on this worksheet. Let's have do be B flat this time, so I'll circle that. We'll do the right hand first. So do to re is a whole step, so we're skipping this white key. Re will be here on C. Then re to mi. Mi to fa is a half step. Mi to fa. So fa here is going to be on a black key. And then fa to so is a whole step. So whole, half, whole. That's the right hand. Left hand going the other direction. We've got do to ti. Ti will be a white key in this case. And then la is a whole step. Lower. Half step, whole step, la to so, another whole step, and finally so to fa. skipping this white key, so that's another whole step. And then we've got our B flat position. Ho, oh, ho, oh, ha, af, ho, oh. Left hand, ha, af, ho, oh, ho, oh, ho, oh. Right hand's playing the bottom part of the scale. Left hand's playing the top part of the scale. And we can do a similar little exercise. It will sound correct because the half steps and the whole steps are in the right position. So thank you very much for watching this short video on how to transpose from middle C position in order to play exercises in multiple keys and positions. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also have lots of other videos on scales, technique, chord progressions, and piano pieces. I really love to hear from you, so please write to me in the comments. Let me know what you found helpful. Let me know if there's videos you'd like to see. As always, thank you for watching.